It's a new 2019 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, streaming video feed rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, active noise cancellation, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.